Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears larger. To begin, understand that gummy bears expand through osmosis when placed in water. For the best and most consistent results, always use distilled water. This process isn't instant. It typically takes several hours for the gummy bears to reach their maximum size. Patience is key for perfectly plump treats. You'll need a simple bowl or container for this project. Place your gummy bears inside, then pour your chosen liquid over them, ensuring they are completely submerged. While distilled water is ideal for size, feel free to experiment with other liquids like fruit juice or even soda. This can infuse your enlarged gummy bears with exciting new flavors, adding a fun twist to your snack. As your gummy bears soak, check them periodically to monitor their size and texture. You want them plump, but not mushy. Be careful not to oversoak them, as this can cause them to disintegrate or become unpleasantly soft. For safety, especially if soaking for many hours, refrigerate the container. This helps prevent any unwanted bacterial growth while they expand. Once your gummy bears are perfectly plump, the fun truly begins. Use them as unique, oversized toppings for ice cream, cakes, or other desserts. They also make a surprising and playful addition to beverages, adding a pop of color and flavor. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your giant gummy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.